Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada. I also share my daily analysis on the currency pairs like Euro USD, USD Japanese Yen, GBP USD, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, etc. So in this video, I'll be recommending 3 stocks to trade on 12th March 2021. So this analysis is for 12th March only. I'll be coming again on Monday with the analysis and stocks for Monday. Okay, so please do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. So the first stock for the day is JP Morgan Chase JPM, and for JPM we can see that it has given a closure day for yesterday above the daily resistance. Okay, and yesterday it has beautifully taken support at the 153.4 level. Okay, so the good sign is that the support is still valid. Okay, and it is trading above this support right now, and you can see that there is not much volatility here for the last couple of days, so we need to look for this level. Okay, let me draw a line here. So the buy call for JP Morgan above 155.90 level. So if you get the stock above 155.90 level today, it's a buy. Just make sure that if there is a gap up open, wait for 15 to 30 minutes, let the stock feel comfortable enough. And after 15-30 minutes, if you see that, okay, the stock is trading beautifully, comfortably, normally, then go ahead and buy. In case you get the stock below 155.9 level, then wait for the breakout. When you see a breakout, then again wait for 15-30 minutes, let the resistance become the support. Then only you should go ahead and execute the buy order. And how will get the confirmation? Same, wait for 15 to 30 minutes. Okay, so the next stock for the day is AT&T. Okay, for AT&T you can see that it has closed at 29.54 level yesterday, and it had a support available at 29.71 level, but it broke the level and it closed below this daily support level. Okay, and just by looking at the size of the red candle, okay, so there is a high probability that the sellers will be dominating the market again. So if you see that sellers are still present on the stock, then just go ahead and short the stock below 29.5 level. 29.5 is the level that you need to watch today. If you get the stock below 29.5 level and the selling pressure is still present, then short the stock. So the third stock for the day is AMGN. You can see that AMGN has closed at 231.17 level yesterday, and it has closed at the daily resistance. And you can see that day for yesterday also it has closed at the daily resistance, and before that also it tried to cross the daily resistance, but it failed and closed below the daily resistance. So this level is very important for the stock, 231.2 level. So if you get the stock above 231 point, sorry, if you get a stock above 233.8 level today, 233.8 level today, then only go for a buy order. Okay, but make sure that the price is being supported by volume, and wait for at least 15-20 minutes. Okay, wait for 15-20 minimum. Okay, because it's this the present price level is acting like a magnet. Okay, and you can short the stock below this level, 228.9 level. Okay, just make sure again the the price is being supported by volume. Okay, if you short the stock, just make sure that the size of the candles are good. Okay, healthy red candles. Okay, so these are the three stocks that you can watch on 12th March 2021. So thank you, and thank you so much And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. I'll coming back on Monday again. You'll see me on Monday again if you subscribe the channel. Okay. Thank you so much. You can also check the performance of the recommendation on the previous videos. Okay, thank you so much. Do subscribe. See you on Monday.